Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back for another Sanremo reaction, and this is another song that came in the top 5 of the final night, and it is Mr. Rain with Supereroi. I hope I said that right. Really looking forward to watching this and letting you guys know what I think. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the Eurovoxx channel, hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of our videos. But let's not waste any more time. Let's give Mr. Rain a watch, and I'll let you know what I think.
Combattere una guerra da solo, il cuore è un'armatura, ci salva ma si consuma. A volte chiedere aiuto.
Okay, so it's a ballad, I think.
Sulla luna, perché da fuori non si vede quante volte hai pianto, si nasce soli e si muore.
Oh, we've got kids joining them on stage.
Con un'ala soltanto riusciremo a volare, solo restare.
I don't think I've ever seen kids on stage in a Sanremo performance. Oh, this is going to be really cute, isn't it? It's got a really, really beautiful chorus, and the choral voices of the kids just add so much. Wow. Okay, now we get a bit of a beat kicking in. Oh, they've got little angel wings. This chorus is catchy as hell. It's got a hook that you're going to have in your head. Beautiful. Oh, I was giving the conductor a hug. Maestro. I really want to know what this song is about now. Like, how are the kids there with the angel wings? It feels very sweet and very harmless. Is that it? No, it feels like it's building to something. This is such a sweet song, guys. And what a great job those kids are doing as well on such a big stage in front of such a big audience. Are they going to fly away with their angel wings? Oh, they're the real stars. Oh, there we go. That was beautiful. So cute. Loved it. Oh, well, that's really got the awe factor. Those kids were so cute. They made the performance. I mean, he was great, don't get me wrong, but when the kids came on, they made that performance, and what a great job they did performing live on that big stage in front of that huge audience. I'm not just talking about the audience in the Ariston, I'm talking about the TV audience. They must have been nervous as hell, but they did such a great job. But that song, just so sweet, so cute, so pleasant, harmless, but with this insanely catchy chorus that is going to be going around in my head all day now. Yeah, just really, really, really love that. I want to watch it again. It's kind of all that's good in the world, and there's so much bad stuff going on. Actually, lots of shit going on in the world at the moment, but that's all that's good, watching a performance like that. So kind of heartwarming and cute. Would love to know what you guys thought of that, so do drop a comment down below and let us know. Otherwise, go and follow us on all of our socials on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Until the next video, see ya.